Hi, hello everybody. Today I will show you how to install kitchen LED lights. You will need an LED strip. I have an RGB strip. It has 60 SMD 50/50 LEDs per 1 meter. That's theory and it's boring, but you need to know this. The power consumption is 5 watts per 1 meter. This 2 meter strip will consume 10 watts. 2 meters equals 10 watts. You should choose a power adapter according to the power consumption. This is a 60-watt adapter. I can use it for the whole length of my LED strip. A 60-watt power adapter, to be on the safe side. The power adapter capacity should be 30 to 40% higher than the LED strip capacity. Make sure you have excess capacity. You will also need a controller and a remote. The outgoing current of the device must exceed the LED strip current. This LED strip's current is about 600 mA per 1 meter if connected to 12V. This means I can use this controller for an LED strip as much as 10 meters long. That's theory and it's boring, but you need to know this. The white light consumes the most power. The LED strip can overheat when working. Use metal mounting elements for cooling it. I have an aluminum profile with a plastic diffuser. Without the metal mounting, an LED strip can overheat, leading to its LED lights being damaged and the strip possibly falling off. Its default fixture is two-sided tape. The tape won't hold under high temperature stress. Use these connectors to connect several LED strips together. The links for all the equipment are in the video description section. I don't recommend purchasing the metal mounting online because of its size. You can buy this kind of mounting at any hardware store. That's theory and it's boring, but you need to know this. I have 2 sets of wall cabinets in my kitchen. Here is one, and here is another one. They're divided by the cabinet with the exhaust hood. You can install electrical outlets inside a cabinet. I have this outlet for the exhaust and this one for the LED strip. Check the LEDs before installing them. One of its ends should have a connector like this. The controller should have the same connector too. There are arrow signs on both connectors. When connected, the arrows should face each other. Connect the power adapter to the controller. Install the mounting element. You should decide whether to mount it closer to the wall or to the center of the countertop. I want it to be above the countertop center, so the whole tabletop could be lit by the LED lights. The mounting kit contains some mounting clips. Solder both of the strip's wires. Mind the signs. The arrows should be connected to the 12V positive. There is a 12V mark on the strip. If you need to cut the tape, use spots with copper pads. This is how the installed LED strip should look. Here is one, here is the other one. Both are covered with the diffusers. The wires are here. The red one goes upwards, and then it goes on the top of the cupboard. There are 2 wires by the exhaust tube. They are from the right and the left strips. The power adapter is attached to the outlet with 2-sided tape. The controller is also attached with tape, and the receiver is placed at the corner. When the door is shut, it's visible. Let's check how it works with the remote. This is how it works. I hope this video was useful. If you enjoyed watching the video, click like and subscribe to my channel. There will be more interesting crafts for you in the future. See you!